Hello, how is everyone? Coach Anna here. Today we will talk about what we parents can do to help our shy children. First of all, I would like to say that shy children are very concerned about what other people think about them, will say about them. They do really care about other people's opinion. And shy children needs a little bit more support than the other children. Now, I'm going to share with you some ideas on what we can do to help our children. The first thing that we need to do is to teach children how to socialize. We teach our children a lot of things, but very few teaches children how to socialize, how a conversation should look like, sound like. So the first thing that we need to do is to start teaching children to practice how a conversation should look like. So teach child to look in the other child eyes when they have a conversation. Teach child to have a clear voice when they are speaking with someone, to have a friendly face when they have a conversation with someone. Another thing that we can do, which is very helpful, it is to invite your child to play a game. Ask your child, your daughter or your son, to bring her favorite doll or his favorite teddy bear, and pretend that the teddy bear or the doll, it is a shy child who has to go to a party, or it is a shy child that she just changed school and she doesn't know anyone in that school, and pretend that the doll, the child, is coming into the room, and watch what the child does, watch what the child says, and then shift the role play. You are the shy child and your child is the grown up, but this time you ask your child to help you. You ask your child to help you feel more comfortable. Pay very close attention to what the child will say or do to help you feel more comfortable, because what she says or what she does, it can help you to know why she's acting this way and what you can do next time when she feels shy. Another thing that we need to do is to teach children, especially shy children, to ask questions. Shy children don't start a conversation because they don't know what to say. They are afraid that what they are saying, it might be wrong. So teach children, your child, at least 5 questions to start a conversation. I don't know, ask questions like, what sport do you like, or what is your favorite video game, or what do you like to play, what is your favorite cartoon. At least 5 questions. This will help the child to feel more relaxed, because at least he knows what to ask the other children. Another thing that we shouldn't do, it is to don't force the child to engage when he's not ready. What I mean by that? So for example, if we are going to the park, or we are going to a party, and there are children which they want to play with your child, and your child says, no, I don't want to play with them. Don't say, come on, go and play with them, don't be shy. Because if we do this, the child will think that he's different, that something it is wrong with him, and this will make the child to feel worse. So don't call name your child. Don't call him you are so shy, or don't say in front of your child that he's shy. You are shy. Another thing that we need to do is to put in practice, work on these social skills. And the best way to put in practice these skills is not starting with children directly. No. The best time, it is when you go to the shops, or when you are going to have a dinner outside. Give your child money, to pay for what your dinner or whatever, and remind him, don't forget to look in that person's eyes and have a clear voice and say thank you, and practice, 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 because this is the key. It won't happen like this. This is the bad side. What you are going to teach your child is not going to change your child in one day. No, it needs time and practice. The good side, the good part of this, it is that it's not impossible and they can change. Self-esteem and self-confidence, it is a skill that all children, all people can learn, can develop, can build. Shy children, they seem to be lack of confidence. They are very self-conscious when they are in a new situation, when they are in the center of the attention. When they are in the center of the attention, they don't feel confident, they feel fear, they feel tension, because they are afraid of being judged. They do care what other people think, say about them. If you need my help, send me a private message or book a free consultation with me to see how can I help you and your child to become more confident so that he can enjoy all what the life has to offer. Thank you very much for watching. Wish you all a lovely day.